Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to use custom font using Google Font. It is hosted by Google and all the fonts are free to use. Now, let's begin our course by opening my GitHub account. I have provided the link to my GitHub account in the description below, or you can visit this link and you should see these two folders, End and Start. You can use this End folder if you want to see the end result of our site, which is this one, or if you want to follow along with me, then you can use this Start folder. So inside the Start folder, we got different files and folders: index.html, images folder where you can add images for your site, fonts folder where you can add custom font or icon font files, and CSS folder where you can add your CSS file to your site. Now let's quickly check the demo, which is our simple coming soon page. So we got some icon over here, logo, some content and some buttons. And in this session, we will add Google Font for this heading. So open your Google Font site, which is fonts.google.com. You can then see a lot of different fonts over here if you scroll down. If you know a particular font name, then you can search over here like Roboto or Open Sans or so on. Or if you want to filter the font using categories such as serif or sans serif, then you can click on these categories and then you can either select or deselect this option based on your requirement. For this project, we will use a font called Merriweather, so I can simply search over here and then you can click on this font and you should see a different font style over here. I'm happy to use this light font, so I will click on this, select this style. You can also click multiple style if you want, and all your collection should show over here. But for now, I will just use light style, so I will remove this style. And once happy, we can click on this embed. You can then copy this and add them inside head tag in your index.html. I will call it Google Font. Then finally, you can copy this font family and add them in main.css. So we have to add the font family in this heading tag, which is coming soon and h1. So here you can search for coming soon and h1. So I will just paste it over here. Once done, I can then refresh the site and I can see my Google Font over here. Great. This is the end of this session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.